Max Hair Clinic. In 2004, Max Hair Clinic wasn't just born, it was crowned. A powerhouse built to maximize confidence, achieve the impossible and exceed expectations. Because good isn't good enough when greatness is the goal. From day one, Max didn't just open its doors. It opened a new era. An era where hair loss isn't a life sentence, but a chapter waiting for a comeback. While the world looked to Turkey as the hub for hair transplants, Max planted its flag right here in India, because why fly miles when the maximum solution is at your doorstep? This isn't just about regrowth, it's about rebirth, a strand-by-strand revolution where self-doubt fades and confidence takes root, where science meets art and transformation becomes a masterpiece. Not just a clinic, a movement. Not just hair, a vision. And in 2024-2025, Max Hair Clinic painted a masterpiece. Ranked number 1 in trichology time and again, it is not the benchmark, it is the standard. Celebrities trust it, clients swear by it. And this year, the world took notice. A surge of international clients chose Max Hair Clinic, recognizing that when it comes to transformation, it leads the way. Their reach expanded, their impact deepened. With a bold step into Delhi, Max Hair Clinic fortified their presence across India, setting the stage for something bigger. Innovation fuels Max Hair Clinic. From pioneering the IgM hair transplant in 2008 to revolutionizing the industry with Sapphire hair transplant and seamless cosmetic hair systems, it has never stopped pushing boundaries. This year, they shattered them. GFC Fibrin Plus redefined regenerative hair therapy, while Follicle Gen I360 ushered in the future of hair regrowth. They didn't just advance non-surgical restoration, it reimagined it with groundbreaking low-level laser therapy. But they didn't stop at treatments. Max Hair Clinic became a force beyond clinics, leading initiatives, shaping industries and setting trends. In the pursuit of excellence, it introduced the scalp treatment, a premium scalp therapy designed to nourish, strengthen, and rejuvenate hair from the roots, ensuring a holistic approach to hair wellness. Now, it stands at the threshold of a new era. They don't ask what's next, they declare it. Australia, Dubai, Singapore, Turkey, Sri Lanka. Max Hair Clinic is going global because confidence knows no limits, and neither does Max Hair Clinic.
Time to experience Max Hair Clinic, the clinic that has it all.